教大家用爆米香来做一项料理，纯的台湾土豆油。Some oil would be nice. It gives a creamy texture in the mouth to the final product. Welcome to Ahua the Chinese popularizer who refuses Mandarin. 大家好，欢迎来到足英台的三声道爆米香。踮遮你会听到足侪英语、足侪台语，含有一滴滴的四眼腔嘅客家话，安尼叫做足英台三声道。今仔日要教大家用爆米香来做一项料理，需要的材料有爆米香、土豆油、彩色的台湾土豆仁，搁有糖蚵还是砂糖拢会做的。上尾你搁会需要下一寡烧水，搁有一支唔惊烧的果汁机。爆米香咱甲浸100公克。土豆油50公克。彩色的土豆仁50公克，糖蚵50公克。你若是袂晓家己炒糖蚵，砂糖嘛会做的。即马就甲浸好的材料拢倒入去，爆米香甲土豆仁，家己炒的糖蚵，搁有纯的台湾土豆油。Some oil would be nice. It gives a creamy texture in the mouth to the final product. 上尾搁添入去1公斤的滚水，就挺好摕来烹啊。不过这个电子煲有一个问题，一路来到1949，拢也足勇健，愈来愈沉重，一路过2000了后，就规个崩崩去，害了了。是毋是就亲像咱的本土语言同款咧？你若是自安尼啉，伊就是一杯香港港的米奶。毋过我家己的啉法，我阁会甲伊透入去一杯台湾的咖啡。安尼做出来的物件，或者啥物咧？我甲这种饮料号名叫做台湾辣体，互你辣头巴足的辣，勇壮身体的体，是毋是听起来就足像是英语的辣体？华语根本就无可能做出遮尔水的翻译，你讲对毋对咧？口感绵绵，顺搁香。即马这杯猛啉，猛听我开讲哈。卢比。You have seen this chart in my earlier video, and you know that every 10 years younger, 11% less Taiwanese people would say their mother tongue is Taiwan way Taiwanese. 你凡说捌伫我第3部的影片内底看到这张图，若伫1950年代出世，7成8台湾人的母语是台语。不过到最近，中山大学调查因家己的学生啊，这阵少年家内底敢若剩22%的人认为家己的母语是台语。咱简单甲掠一下平均，你就知影，若是每10当出世的台湾囡仔，甲台语当作是母语的比例，就会降11%落来。到这为止，我伫进前的影片内底拢讲过啊。不过有一个问题，我迄当阵袂赴讲，就是，你看迄条粉红色的线，安尼一直杵落去，你敢袂想要问讲，伊杵落去大底碰着涂骹变做0%，是西元几年的代志 ？Aren't you curious? Going down and down, when will the percentage become 0? 真简单啦。算小较紧的观众朋友拢已经知啊，就是今年拄则来到位的西元2020年，这就是2020台语归零，就是讲自统计的数字甲看起来，今年开始新出世的所有台湾囡仔大汉了后，认为伊家己的母语是台语的比例，就会正式来变做0%。Yep, you're right. Easy arithmetic. The answer is 2020. From this year on, the percentage of newborn Taiwanese people who will later in their lives say their mother tongue is Taiwan way Taiwanese will officially become 0. 那等到我50岁的时阵，虽然我是3声道，不过我甲迄阵的大学生唯一一种会当互相沟通的语言，会变作是英语。I, even though being trilingual, will have only one common language with my teenage fellow Taiwaners when I'm 50 years old, and that will be English. 即支是伫投票日进前翕的，到恁看到影片的时阵，我毋知是倒一寡人咧庆祝当选，毋过我共款拢着问，咱新选调的总统甲立法委员，若是刷落来即20档台语环境尾气的速度片较早拢平紧，安尼统计甲咱讲，咱就会自安尼请出零台语世代的台湾囡仔。请问咱的新总统、新立委，恁敢有传什么政策来迎接今年开始出世的零台语世代台湾囡仔 ？What we have been doing is clearly not enough. The falling of the local languages are not even slowing down, not to mention reversed. 客语试卷、台语试卷考大学加分，恁敢做无？即马开始栽培师资传福边，行向全台语国小成立的迄一天未来，有通无？ Dear newly elected president and lawmakers, what can you do for our Zero Taiwanese generation that is coming in? What about college entrance exams in local languages and with bonus points? What about elementary schools where everything is taught in a local language? What about we start training such teachers now? 今年刷落来，我会请我的朋友来到影片内底，用台语教数学，用台语教基因遗传的生物，用台语教相对论的物理。我要证明互恁看，台语会当教世间万项的科目。全台语学校无出现，并毋是因为台语无即个才调，无即个本定，是因为过去这几落十当来，台湾政府的意识形态，互因袂愿做。 若是有任何你认为台语绝对无可能会家己的物件，请做你伫影片下骹留话，我负责找人来教互你看。This year I'm gonna make videos where math, genetics, and relativism are explained in Taiwan Way Taiwanese. I'm going to prove to you that the reason why we still don't have a school where everything is taught in Taiwan Way Taiwanese is never about the language itself. It has always been about politics. If there's any subject on which you don't believe we can teach in Taiwan Way Taiwanese, leave your comment. I will find somebody and prove you wrong. 條個按多年講嘅紅樓法咧，下就會冇睇咧，下法有下樣麼？冇可能啊！30年後、50年後，台灣還有下法麼？台灣還有下人麼？誒，你嘅新總統新立委啊，人哋用乜解辦法做得來叫下法麼？全下法嘅國小。 人哋敢做無呢？今仔日即路爆米香料理台灣立體配方伫遮，大家罔參考。改變令台語世代未來，需要你同齊來救。即馬起手也閣會好，救合法，請唔向下來天數。This is Ahwasai, the Chinese vaporizer who refuses Mandarin, and I will see you next time. 是蒙太家，羅勒，有你能，阿呆。